Hello or welcome everyone. Welcome to the Romanish Food Drive channel. If you look in this video, so we probably have same problem like me. For our garage it's coming car Volvo C30 with not working blower. So blower it's not working and so customer have the problem. Already I wish you a lot of nervous, a lot of experience, because it's really hard job to take him out. So I will shortly show you where is it and how to take him out. You can see so Volvo C30. And how you can see, so it's lot of things what you need to take out, because you need to take out so all front panel. You need to unscrew everything till you have access through the glove box to that one's hole. So first thing you will see in this hole, you will see that one thing, which it's cover for blower. He's take air from outside of the car, so it will be this one hole. So and this one thing is it looks like that. So it's called your blower. You need to take first. You need to take him out. He's have 3 screws. So just I will adjust the lights for you. So it will be staying like that. So one screw there, and one screw there. So 3 screws. It will be that one small one. And you need a mirror or use the phone or use the camera to see where is it. It will be 15 T15 tool to unscrew them. So when you unscrew and take him out, so like that one, and from the bottom as well, to take him out you need to disconnect your fuse box, because it's not enough space to take him out. So after you take him out, so Volvo originally used a special tool to take blower out, because as you can see this will be there, and it's not possible to see anything or disconnect him, so it's just staying over there in the middle. So why they thinking that one place, I really don't know, but yeah, maybe it's safe, maybe it's engineers or something like that, so I don't know, but it's a lot of things what to do. So next thing, that's why you need to cut the hole over there, because if you have a special tool you can take blower motor from this one side, from the passenger side, but if no, you need to cut this one hole over there. So it's your steering wheel. So here you have a plastic. It's something like that one. Will so ironing later on here him back on the place. So here you have plastic. If you unscrew everything, take out everything, you have, so here's just this one plastic wall. You need to cut the hole, because you need to put hands inside this hole. And after you will cut this hole, you will see, so maybe not see, but maybe with mirror or something like that, you it's possible to see, but you need to feel with your hands where is the blower. So just put your hand through this one hole, and it will be slightly up on the top. So put enough your hands inside, and in the on the top you will start feeling the blower and disconnect the connection. So after you disconnect the connector, because if you think what it's possible to take him out, so from there it's not possible. I already spent, so it's second day of this one Volvo fixing. It's around take time, a lot of time. It's already around 7-8 hours of work, and solution only this one. So cut this hole and put your hand inside, and I will now take out the blower and show how it looks from the inside, which you can see there, and it have a small one fix which you need to push, and later on so you will take out your blower out. So just give me now 1 minute, and I will now take out this blower. So you need to put your hands enough deep to start feel the blower motor. And like I mentioned, so here one connector which you disconnect and push one fixing to take out. So maybe we will try to show you. Will show you where is it, but no, camera it's not possible to go in, unfortunately. So you see now, so that one it's connector for the blower, and something like here on the left side it will be this one blower. So I not be spent your time. I will just take out the blower and show how it looks, and where you need to find that one fix which you need to push. And this one cost for me enough nervous and enough experience. So if you don't have experience enough, so maybe don't try to start to fix and to change him. If you are a mechanic like me and need to do this job, so I hope it will be helpful for you. That's one video, because I spent few hours, maybe more, to find how to take it out, because first I take out everything but cannot find so how exactly motor it will be go out, and after I see the few video which I found, because I not found enough, and read the forums of the Volvo's enthusiasts, I found so some information from second one, from the third one, and make my solution and make this job done. So yeah, now blower motor is out. All right, so here's your blower. All right, so his looks like that. So, and when it's inside there inside, so this one connector which you need to disconnect is here, and fix which you need to push to to take him out. Just give me a second, I will find. So yeah, it's here. So your blower motor inside the panel, it looks like that. It will be staying like that because here you can see where the top, and so when you feel your motor to take him out, so just push this one fix, yeah, and just turn so around 20 degrees, and he's been taken out. So I hope I save time for you, and it will be great video, great and helpful video for you if you try yourself. I wish you good luck. I wish you a strong nervous. Thank you for watching, and I need to come back to fix him and put everything back, so it will be take the time. So thank you for watching. If you like video, so please put a like. If you like my other videos, subscribe. I will be thankful for you. So thank you for everyone, and see you in the another videos. Bye bye.